pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the...
Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Karen. It is a pleasure to meet you. I do hope that you will say hello down in the comments. I have the $24.99 a month The Box by Fashionsta to unbox for you guys today. It comes looking like this. It has the card with all of the products listed on it in here and their prices, I believe. It tells you the value of the box as well, which is $139. And it looks like there's a different variation. It says V2 at the top. So I've got variation 2. So I'm assuming there are other variations to this box. Not all of us got the exact same products, but the majority will probably be the same. So let's rip her open and see. Ooh, what did we get? Oh, it looks like we got a watermelon lip scrub. Let's see. Let's open this puppy. Oh, it's very dusty. There's tons of dust, like, all over it. I don't think I'm excited about that. All right. $16 is the value. Open her up. Oh, the box. Inside the box is also very dusty. I'm not sure if that's the way they packaged it or what. But everything's dusty. It says it's cruelty-free on it. Let's get rid of some of this. This is what it looks like. The brand is NCLA Los Angeles. It's a natural lip scrub that cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens the lips. Okay. See if I can open it. Oh my gosh, there we go. There was a seal on it. Ooh, it smells really good. And it looks good. Let me just put a little bit on my finger. This is definitely a more hydrating lip scrub than some of the scrubs that I've seen in the past. Like Jeffree Stars work great and you can like eat those and all of that, but they are more gritty. This one seems like it's more moisturizing. So I like that idea. For sure. Okay, so let's see what else we got. I see, wow, look at the dust. Can you see the dust all over these products? And it's only got these things in it. So why are they all so dusty? Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. It's a serum. It's a $38 serum. They says to use it in place of a toner and moisturizer to effectively boost hydration, protect, and revitalize the skin. So instead of using, I guess you would cleanse your face and just put this on. I am wishing I had a towel right now so I can get all this. I cannot believe this. Okay, I do like this box, but this dust is really driving me nuts. This is what it looks like. Let me put a little bit on my skin. Right here. Make sure my fingers are clean. It smells like a flower, kind of. The scent is fine with me, and it definitely feels hydrating. All right, let's see what else we got. That's probably dusty. Nope, we got yep, a little bit. Real Her Confidence in My Glow Highlighter. Ooh. A warm rose gold, giving a radiant afterglow with a silky soft texture that glides on the skin. All right, so it's sealed and it is a $25 value. Let's break the seal if we can. Just open it from the bottom to see what this baby looks like. Everybody loves a good highlighter, right? This is one of those subscription boxes that are on the less expensive side. And I've been happy with pretty much every box except some of the skincare that's been coming from China where I can't read it and it just says all Chinese on the side. That's what annoys me. Okay, so that's what the highlighter looks like. Let me open her up. I'm sure you guys want to see her, so we'll swatch her. There she is there. Let's do that and let's swatch. Oh, that is a very pretty highlighter. What was the value? $25. I think I said that. It does have a mirror in here, which is nice. And there is a lot of product in here. 0.31 ounces. So 0.31 ounces, yes. 9 grams. Okay, that is quite a bit of product. Okay, I think I've heard of Real Her before. Have you guys? Have you bought any of their stuff, or has it just been subscription boxes we've seen them? Okay, nighttime eye cream, Z Skin. $24. Organic ancient remedy that helps reduce fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and helps reduce the signs of aging to restore youthful appearance to your eyes. Vegan and cruelty free. It looks like almost all of these are vegan and cruelty free. Almost all, not all. Okay, so that's what the eye cream looks like. It again, dusty. I'm not quite sure what's causing that. Does not have a safety seal on it. I do like the ones with a safety seal. A thick cream. We'll rub some on my hand and see how that works. It feels nice. Definitely only need a little bit because it's having a hard time absorbing into my skin. But I did put on a lot. Okay, let's see. What do we got next? Get rid of some of this stuff here. Real Her. Again, I am the best matte lipstick. So I am the best must be the shade. The lipstick is $18. It's fused with jojoba seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out the lips. It's vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so it's got a seal on that side. Let's open it up from the other side. This is what it looks like. Let's check out the color. Oh, not my color. No. We are not even going to swipe that. Oh, I do like how it has Real Her imprinted on the lipstick. That's cute. Okay. And it's got kind of like a magnetic, which is kind of neat. All right, so we're not going to do that. No, because we'll put that in a giveaway. I'm sure somebody else can use this, that it is their color. All right, and what do we have left? It looks like an is it an eyeshadow palette? Champagne Kisses, B Bella Cosmetics. What is the value? $18. 16 beautiful shades of warm tones and pops of color, and it's cruelty free. Okay, made in Los Angeles. Let's see. Ooh, this looks pretty. Look at that. I like that. And it's got a mirror in here, a nice size mirror. Everything looks intact. Doesn't really look like anything's been touched. It does have the plastic over it. Let me take the plastic off real quick so you can see. There is a mixture of mattes and shimmers in here. And that was the last item. So we got dust. Why? I think the dust is coming from the box. Maybe it's the way they package these items. Okay. So we got the eyeshadow palette. Champagne Kisses. I like the name of that. And the packaging is cute. Standard packaging. An $18 value. Then we got the nighttime eye cream that had a $24 value. Then we got the highlighter that had a $25 value. We got the lipstick that was not in my shade that had an $18 value. And then we got the serum, which had a $38 value, and it's a glass heavy jar. Oh, it's even got an expiration date on it. Expires 10/31/20, so you'd have to use it by October. Then we got the watermelon sugar scrub for $16, which I do like because it's hydrating and not just a really gritty type of texture. So that's it. That's what we got in this box. What did you guys get in your box? I got variation 2, so there's got to be different variations out there. The only downside to Fashionsta is that they don't start shipping their stuff until late in the month. So we always wind up getting, like that's February's box, and here I am unboxing it in March. Other than that, I do enjoy this box. I will continue to get it for now, but you never know in the future. If you guys have not seen my newest subscription box, I just put it out. It was New Skin, and it was a skincare line, and I really did like it, and I've been using those products, so definitely check out that video, and I do have some other ones going on. I have a giveaway going on, my 3K giveaway, so make sure that you check out that video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.